Hey there and welcome to my Sniply review video. In this video, I'm going to go over Sniply, how it actually works, how to actually set up your Sniply links, and I will leave a link in the description down below for you to be able to get a free account with Sniply, and that will allow you to get up to 500 clicks a month and up to 20 links in your Sniply account, okay? So what Sniply is it is a tool that allows you to track link clicks and analytics through the links that you're sharing, but it also allows you to add a powerful call to action to any link that you are sharing on the internet. So any website, any blog post, anything online, you're able to share a Sniply link that will come with a call to action. So in this example, as you can see, I've got a blog post on how to get more followers on TikTok in 2023 by Influencer Marketing Hub. And you can see the call to action at the bottom left there. I've written out free TikTok follower guide, grow from 0 to 100K followers, download now. So as you can see how powerful this is, you can share any link on the internet that actually helps people out while also having a call to action so that you can actually collect leads or drive traffic to your own website or affiliate offers. Now, if we go over to the Sniply dashboard, this is what it's going to look like once you get your Sniply account. And how easy it is to actually create your own link is you just want to create a snip up here. So paste in the URL that you want to send people to and then click on create a snip. So as you can see, this is one that I've already typed out before, but I'm going to show you what it would look like if you are doing a brand new one. You select new call to action. You can create a brand that is going to be the little icon, the logo that shows up here, or you can just go ahead and select one that I've already got. Then you can select which Sniply type you would like to use. Now, the most common two are probably going to be a link text or a button with a call to action. But you can also do a form, which will allow you to collect leads within this little call to action pop-up on the bottom left. You're also able to do an image ad, so essentially giving yourself a banner ad space at the bottom of any link that you're sharing. And like I mentioned before, you can also just do a hidden one, which means you're just being able to track the actual visitors that you're sending to a web page if you don't want to have a call to action, so that you can actually use it for retargeting and analytic purposes. But in this example, I'm going to go with the button because that's going to be the most commonly used one. All you have to do is enter your message here, select the button text that you'd like to use, and then the button URL is the URL that you would like to send people to. So make sure that you put it in the correct button URL, and make sure that your message and your button text are congruent to the link that you're actually sharing. So in this example, as you can see, I've put free TikTok follower guide, like I mentioned before, because this is a guide on how to get more TikTok followers. So I could go out there on the internet, on social media, and share this Sniply link with people. It will go to a very helpful guide for them that I didn't have to write. It's just a blog post that I found on the internet, but I'm still able to collect sales and leads to whatever I'm promoting using this call to action by Sniply. So I'm sure you can already see how powerful that is to be able to collect leads and get traffic to your own links by sharing other people's content. Now, I just want to show you this customization that you can do with your button. You can change all of the colors, you can change the positions of everything, and then all you need to do is finish call to action, and you'll be given a link. And then when you go ahead and paste that link in, I'll just paste it over here, you will see that it loads up the website like normal, but then boom, there's your call to action at the bottom left. So if you want to get an account with Sniply, again, I will leave a link below in the description, and you can go ahead and sign up for a free account to try it out, and then you can upgrade at any time through the dashboard by just coming over to the main dashboard over here and clicking on upgrade plan. That will allow you to upgrade your account to any of these different plans that you might need to. You can also get a 14-day free trial with any of the plans if you know you're going to be getting more clicks to these links that you're going to be sharing. And you can also use an annual plan if you want to save yourself a little bit of money, okay? So with that being said, if you have any questions about Sniply, please leave them in the comments down below. I just wanted to make this video short and sweet to show you how Sniply works and to show you how powerful it can be. If you're going out there and sharing links to helpful content on the internet, whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Quora. You can go ahead and actually reply to people's comments on Twitter, for example, reply to their tweets saying, for example, in this TikTok one, hey, I found a really cool guide on how to get more TikTok followers. Check it out. You provide them your Sniply link. They come here, they get a lot of value, and they'll also see your call to action here at the bottom left. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Again, any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Smash that thumbs up button if you liked it. And if you want to get yourself an account with Sniply, I will have my affiliate link down there in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.